1, 2, 3. What's up, Hartig Fam?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
You woo. Woo woo. I didn't know where I was going with that, but woo.
Well, we've got some can't get over it.
Woo.
We've got some exciting news to share with you guys.
We are letting it out.
We've been trying to make a decision for the last few months about what the heck we're doing with our life this next year.
What are we doing?
And we finally made a decision. Derek and I and the kids are going to
Disneyland.
No! Go ahead, you say it.
This is what we're doing. I'll tell you what we're doing. We're getting out of the 9-to-5 rat race lifestyle, and we are just gonna live on our own terms in a
RV.
In an RV. We are gonna buy a camper and travel while we can. When you say RV, people think that we're actually driving an actual like motorhome. So we
are buying a camper that we're going to live in full time going forward. We're gonna live in it, just a little camper, us and the kids.
I want to say it's
and
little.
Bella. No, they're not little.
The ones we're looking at are not little.
They're not little.
They're not.
They're like
little.
Little houses that you can take anywhere.
They're smaller than a house.
So anyways, we wanted to make this video to answer questions and just tell you guys about our plan over the next year, because
that's right.
It's gonna be a very big adventure for us. There's a lot of unknowns, but we do have some information that we just want to get out there to you guys now. If you guys want to follow our journey,
No, okay. Follow our journey.
You guys should.
Not if you want to. Just do it. We want you to do it. We're gonna say some questions that you guys have been asking us. That way we can just get it all out there. You guys know what's going on and understand our plan. So
let's do it.
We're gonna start with the first question, and it's gonna be super general. What is the plan? The people want to know, what is the plan?
The plan is buy a camper in a month. Put that camper on the back of a truck. Drive away and never return.
Put it on the back of a truck?
Yeah, right.
Maybe you should answer the plan as in why are we doing this? Wait, maybe that's the next question. But
we're putting all of our stuff in storage, taking what we need in the camper and what we want in the camper, and just going to explore the U.S.
Not only just storage, but we're going to try to sell a lot of our stuff.
Yeah.
Because we have
a lot of stuff, yeah. So we're going to have a garage sale. We're going to either sell it, store it, and then we're good to go. That's
right. All right, next question is, how are you doing this, and why did you decide this? For some reason, to me, this question hits this question kind of hits more financially.
We're in a school parking lot. Okay. Okay, she's good. We've been saving up money like crazy this last year, and we're gonna be living on limited paycheck, but while we're doing it, and we're okay with that, and yeah, that's how we're doing it. I mean, it's not that hard.
How we're doing it.
As long as you have a remote job, that's all you need.
Basically, we're just gonna make it work.
Yeah.
We're gonna do what we have to do to be able to pay for what we need.
And just make it work.
And both of our kids are not in school right now, you know?
Yeah.
And them being in school, we can teach them. So this is our only time to do it, because we want them in school a year from now.
Yeah, we want to be settled and stuff.
Yeah, so
we're thinking about doing this for like 1 to 2 years, unless we like absolutely fall in love with it, and
then it's a lifestyle.
Who knows? Yeah, but giving it a couple years to just see how it goes.
Yes.
A year to 2, yeah.
And why did you decide this?
We decided this because after the pandemic, we would just sit at home and have these deep talks about who we are, what we really want in life, what direction we're going, what we're doing with life. We had a lot of self-reflection, and I felt like we kept coming back to this idea over and over again, no matter what happened. We've always been longing for something like this. It's always been something we've talked about since we started dating 10 years ago.
It started as soon as we met each other and started dating. We knew right away our goal is to get married, to have kids, and to travel the world together.
We've always said that.
Always said it. And we asked ourselves, why can't we do that? And there was no good reason.
Felt like we kept making excuses, like, oh, we don't want to leave family, we want to keep Riker in sports or school, everything's already here, we can't afford it, we can't do this, can't do that, and we're tired of the excuses, so we changed our mindset from well, we can't really do that, to how can we make this happen? Huge mindset shift over the last year.
And we did it. We're ready. Everything's in place. We just gotta pull the trigger on a camper and pack up. All right, let's move on. Where will you live and travel?
So we're mostly wanting to travel the Florida coast. There's a ton of places down there to explore, but we're definitely open to going to other places in the U.S. Like we talked about hitting California, Texas, even maybe the East Coast, because I've heard like South Carolina and stuff is really beautiful. But we're mostly looking in Florida right now, and we'll probably start our journey there. What are you most afraid of to live this new lifestyle?
What I would be most afraid of is probably financials, but there's really nothing I am afraid of. Oh. Hello, we're back. No, I don't want to say financials. I think...
You already said it.
No, I think the best thing... I don't want that mindset. That's the mindset that everybody should be trying to get out of. I think
if that's what you're worried about.
I'm most afraid of, just not being able to see family, I think. The fact that I'm trying to find something I'm afraid of is good.
I think that is a good thing, too.
I'm not afraid at all. I'm 100%... I'm good to go.
Presley's turning on everything. I have recently joined an RV group on Facebook. So I am most afraid of RV troubles on the road. People have had troubles as far as not balancing them correctly, or something on the RV breaks. Okay, Derek, what are you most excited for?
I'm most excited to just, I guess, be free.
Yeah.
To not have that rental contract and not have to have that 9-to-5 job working all the time. I'm able to go and just be free and express myself and show my kids the world.
I'm most excited for the changes that's going to happen to us over the next year, the things we're going to appreciate and what is going to be valuable to us in a year from now is so much different than what it's going to feel like now. So I'm most excited for that kind of same thing.
Yes. I was going to say something else. I forgot what I was going to say.
Okay, another worry that I had, and a lot of people are wondering about how the kids would adjust to something like this. How are the kids going to be during this? And I think that's different for each family. I think personally our kids will do great. I think they're going to adjust so perfectly. They've always been on the go. They've traveled a lot. They love being outdoors. They love adventure. And I think that they are going to thrive.
I think so, too.
I think they're going to do great.
Something that I was gonna say is, whenever we do go on vacation, we always love it so.
Changes that's going to happen to us over the next year, the things we're going to appreciate and what is going to be valuable to us in a year from now is so much different than what it's going to feel like now. So I'm most excited for that kind of same thing.
Yes.
Another worry that I had, and a lot of people are wondering about how the kids would adjust to something like this. How are the kids going to be during this? And I think that can be different for each family. I think personally our kids will do great. I think they're going to adjust so perfectly. They've always been on the go. They've traveled a lot. They love being outdoors. They love adventure. And I think that they are going to thrive.
Something that I was gonna say is, whenever we do go on vacation, we always love it so much. The location that we're at the ocean or in the mountains or whatever, it's the most amazing feeling to be there. So our process was, or my thought was, why wouldn't we give that to ourselves every single day? Figure out a way to make it work, but to give that to us, and not only to us but our kids as well.
What type of RV are we going to have?
We are going to get a fifth wheel that has a bunkhouse in it. is our goal.
Yes, we have to have the bunkhouse. It gives each kids their own space, and the fifth wheels have the most room, most stable. We've pretty much done research into this, so bye again. Bye.
Bye.
How are we going to get alone time in the RV?
Oh, just like that. Close the doors and you'll be fine.
Bye. So how are we going to get alone time?
Okay, so we're not going to get alone time.
What?
Did you see what happened?
I swear, we basically live in 3 bedrooms in our house now. Like,
Agreed.
Everybody's always in the kitchen.
Yep.
We're always in the bedroom. The kids sleep in our bed.
Mm-hmm.
Or
Yep.
we're in the living room.
Yep.
It's literally, it's not going to be much different.
And as far as alone time, like, there's going to be plenty of times to where the kids are going to want to be inside and play whatever. And Ashley and I could be sitting outside and
Yeah.
have our alone time then, you know. Early mornings, go outside and drink coffee together, sitting down or whatever. And I consider alone time as in the kids out playing on the beach while we're sitting under our camper, you know.
Agreed.
And watching them.
I think we're going to have more time together now
Oh, yeah.
opposed to you working now. I mean,
I just got done working
9 days in a row.
214 hours in a row. It's going to be so much easier just to, not easier, but we're just going to be together every day, every minute of the day.
How are you going to feel driving a big RV and the whole family around? Is that a lot of pressure? Are you nervous for that at all?
I am nervous about that because all 3 of you are really bad in the car. You
Oh
are. Actually has to pee every 5 seconds, and then obviously the kids went out of their car seats, and so that is my biggest concern. But I think that I don't know if we're gonna do like a lot of driving.
Yeah.
Like I think obviously we're gonna drive to certain destinations, but when we're at the destination, I feel like we're gonna stay there for a little while, and so it's not gonna feel like we're driving all the time.
There's actually so many travel hacks and tips that I've already learned. And of course, we'll share those with you guys once we actually start RVing and traveling around. So we're getting this membership where we can stay in campsites for a certain amount per year. And so you can stay up to 2 weeks there and then have to spend some time not in one. So we'll probably find locations, stay in them for a while, and then go to the next one. So it's not just going to be so much time in the car. It's going to be a lot of the camping and exploring experiences.
That's right.
I'm getting a bad bellyache.
See, I
I'm
already
sweating.
have to go to the restroom.
I'm sweating.
You gotta go to the restroom.
Okay, let's go home.
Oh, we gotta end this because you have to go to the restroom.
Go home. Go home.
All right, everybody. So we tried to get all of our video in. Ashley had to go to the restroom, so she is gone right now. But I hope you enjoyed our video. We tried to get all the information we can to you guys. I know there's a ton that we're missing, and we'll probably hit on it again later. If you have any questions about our RV lifestyle and what we're getting ready to do, please let us know. Super excited about the RV life, and we can't wait.
Okay. Whoa. So you guys can expect to see a lot of traveling, RV, camping videos, and it's gonna be freaking lit on our YouTube and Instagram. So make sure you guys are subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss everything coming up. Give this video a thumbs up if you support our journey, and leave a comment. If you guys have any questions or anything, we're obviously going to be learning a lot as we go and sharing everything with you guys. So follow us on Instagram for daily updates and things like that. And yeah, we'll see you guys on our next video.
We'll see ya. Stay positive. Stay wild.
Stay wild.
Stay young.